home once again.
And as you might notice in this video and the video yesterday,
I am filming with my mobile device once again.
and that's because I simply forgot to bring an extra battery for the vlogging camera.
Too bad.
So now I'm gonna rush to work and continue this Monday. Continue this Monday, I guess. So folks, talk later. We're back home, and the first thing we're gonna do here is to check
If
there is any laundry time free, so that I can put all of my
shite.
in the washing machine. I want to make sure that it's nothing in my bed that is making me to have these incredible itches, or that made me have them from the beginning. Let's see here. What is it? 31.
There we have that. And today is the 19th, and it's totally booked.
Let's see, is there anybody using it? It's actually free right now. So my plan now
Is to hurry up, go down here.
and wash my clothes. I'm gonna wash my
Clothes, peeps.
not clothing, not
Clothes, watch.
clothes, clothes, not clothes.
Clothes.
I don't freaking know. But I'm gonna watch them. I'm gonna wash them, and then probably cook some food.
And then bedtime.
And I'm exhausted and sleep deprived today. So it's gonna be incredibly nice to just get to bed. Let's talk later.
Ta-da!
We have our camera back,
Our camera is back.
and the phase is getting a bit better.
Always look on the bright side of life. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
So I've been down in the washing room.
Luckily,
There was no one washing on their...
there was a time.
Someone had set their little pin in the time slot, but no one was there in the room. So I took my chance, I took my shot.
Shot.
I washed my entire, or my bed sheets, my...
Pillow cases, pillow sheets, pillow something.
all of that washed. So if that was the reason for, or part of the reason for this, then perhaps we're gonna be looking on the bright side even more. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today. This is the 201st episode.
Time flies when you're having fun.